Abusia and some ACC, and in this episode, a lot of things na so Ghana Mampeni inauguration ceremony na ko na nyasem to America for nyamu and some kapa ya the mayor of Los Angeles Mame Karen Bass ya dia omanfo di jagu no so pa se ukuro mu hye wabetina Ghana se odi omampeni bi ba be se akonwa so no honsem in this episode e ba na yepiemu ewo Akyem asuom kronti ne ya wo ho e de atudwa tirim se Nana Addo danko Akufo Addo akonwa no otia ban nwa so na otade ko ceremonies no yemfa enkosi museum na ema Ghana sika we ene Nana Addo danko Akufo Addo statue eno so yabubu no watakrade ene ne yetede te sa munsem bi ne yede ba na nyasem keto manfo bi tirim se se ne yede aba yede bo tachi no eno ane yede bo ba ye kan akosi sen ye na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah in the year 1966 omanfo bi di no ni statue ye bugu from ene ne yete sa bi na yeko boss nso de eda form abusia ye wram na yede nsem na ba bo mode na subscribe to your channel no ewo YouTube Old Burger TV. I feel with me follow your Facebook and also your Old Burger TV. But more than na like content now so far comment to one quickly. Na yingremu ewo and send me yesha say na dey free President John Dramani Mahama inauguration no course so jumadi na se na nyasem keto dompi no na eba ebepiem on the 7th of January. Na che say nyame adom na wotwe pepe eni ne na e dey opani no etina akonwa so na mamia wono ena woye mayor na se penimpa wo hwe Los Angeles mpotemu wono so no oba be piemu ewo Ghana ya yura Donald Trump ena suma ne se wo megina ne name as the president of America na no na wo kokko piemu back no manfo soja de agu no so se na wo kro no na unim se Los Angeles eja eda ye forest ne ye nkuro ahobo mu a ehye ena wuja ho no mo se wo ko trip ewo Ghana
to attend the inauguration of President John Dramani Mahama. Why are Californians paying for that?
But the mayor of Los Angeles, Karen Bass, is now finally back from Ghana. Joe Biden sent her there for the inauguration. Like, who gives a crap? Why is the LA mayor going to Ghana for some political event? What in the actual F?
The mayor of LA, Karen Bass, who apparently was in Ghana.
Doing what?
Doing what?
Na yebisa se aso nanka obetumi ayi bibi e de afa ho ana is a question say Uncle Jai Ghana ne ba no tena back to back Los Angeles Uncle Jano ni influence betumi amanadum ana se nke betumi prevent no in any way ana na was Los Angeles ahihye no ne America nku abubo piso ahihye no mpanimfo nsa bo abranti bi a wo kiremu a woni ba bi te wo homeless ya wo kura ade bi e betumi ama eja aso na omanfo bi atimpotamu na so no mu kire no a wo frɛ apolice forma wo beso no mo no so ne ho asem aye deja eda ho kan yasem ketwa na nti sa na wo ba bepie wo Ghana no so no agya hyehyɛ ba yi ya kire obi always no ya na nkofo a wo mu nsɛm ni bi no bi bi sɛ de ankura na ye hye sa nkofo ekutupa ema wotumi tu sa na mo bi ete sa ya adwenbɔne bi keke na be hye ne tim ana so obi na ama ni sika bi sɛ woni sa abɔne no etimi si wo nkofo bi o mo ye extremist eno so so ho nsɛm eda edwa ye no edi esi wona ye free America na ye ba bepie mu the inauguration ceremony na course na sia so bekaya yura Nana Addo danko Akufo Addo abro betena ase no nda na konwa famous akonwa no a ye o manfo taka ho asem se akonwa we a wo ko ba bia nkofo ne di akire na memma kantina mankuramu ye de tuo kura ewen esan so kura de CB8 mu ye o kwabrane ye condition bo ne ho nsem bia Ghana for do nim se ye kasa ye kan sem bebre na de fa ho manfo jabe na no negotiation ase no abusuana Nana Addo akonwa ne isi ho amfa ma na no na opani a wono na ye Akyem asuom krunti hene ye obo ade de a wotoso miensa wode ato odwa kiremu bisam se akonwa na aso Nana Addo danko Akufo Addo no na wode ni sika toye eno ya semisa se ye ni sika na wode toye na se Ghana taxpayers money ene ye de to akonwa na de Nana kiremu se akonwa no yemfa enkonkosi museum na omanfo back home srahwe eba behwe bia ebe generate sika pa ede ama oman.
During the coronation, I realized that now former President Akufo Addo wasn't comfortable. It wasn't that he wasn't comfortable because he didn't want to release the power. Apostle Nelson Ojim, definitely Ojim, but he was very uncomfortable with his chair. I realized that he missed that chair. I would want to ask President Akufo Addo if he bought that chair with his money. If he didn't, then we will come for it. It will give Ghana a lot of money. We will put it in the museum. If we are talking about chairs, I think it comes second to Otumfuo's Sikajwa.
Any sense and someone no trimu said Nana Akufo Addo nanu na no ti dwumadi nasano. He was not feeling comfortable at all. Nana trimu say nya comfortable on feel say bia wo jaya kodwa no mutu media ma irama mantira wo say no de oyɛ den a wo beje ma apostle wo yusui an Nicolas Omania champion e kan wo say apostle wo beje Nana say na Nana do ntimi nya ho hwe na wo so jam na mmom jaya wo jam no nya ne yasa kodwa no ayamfa mre na ma na ntena so no hunu ni say o te ho na ase ne ho keka no
in fame. You see, a chair that can be flown all over, a chair that will be given a V8 to sit in, and armed men with AK-47s to guard. That chair is a famous chair. So if we put it in the museum, Ghana will have a lot of money. He wasn't sitting in that chair at the swearing-in ceremony, and so I could see that he was really, really uncomfortable. He missed the chair. Overall, I think Ghana is happy. Ghana is exonerated. At long last, we can breathe.
I was saying, Nana, he will miss the chair so much. And also, Yansama, what they are to Jana, and maybe when you can say him crown also here. Nagana for whom said to do any aje. Was a Ghana for any aje pa his answer. She said, Yebina and Frama Ahome. And then ye bisa say, aso na President Nanado Tesono, not Ghana for a yam from Abi and Home na Niamabi Koso Ghana for to Minka, Sana and a patch ready nim, and also a home and seven. Nabusia Remu, some other stories are a buyer within the weekends, Kobe and Anu Yabeda Soria, Abusian, another Danko Akufo Addo statue. Is a secondary takrade. Abuato from na kwan nipa ben na oba na bema ben na woka statue de to from yinim besin de afei na jama mpanifo ye hwehwemu a ye behunu nipa enam no so ma na Nana Akufo Addo statue no etimi eto from na omanfo say abaye de bo tachi ne ye de bobo ba de bi say ye beka ya in the year 1966 ya ye tu Dr. Kwame Nkrumah abangu ye no the statue ana ewo omanmu no omanfo e candidate from na even nansen ye mpo ni statue wa onso ewo enkran no omanfo bi di wo nso akokekan ye eno kra de ne nya nto aba. Yes, the big six wo statue ahodo na ewo ho no omanfo bi di wo nso akokekan na sa statue yabunu ni ade no se na nya ne kra na ehya se fritititete ayete se wo ba bi di dwuma bi ma omanfo no na se wo muhunu nso mo ne nya adwena ne monument bi aye de ese obi ano na chere se ewo se yabunu edito na Nana Akufo Addo de ne to from na yasan so nya ne tie se maami a ono na mre bi atwam no ye CID boss ye maami Tiwa Addo Dankwa ya maami ono kura na sambre amene o ka sei we Yoko boss na sambre no na ye CID boss no mra ye takrade Miami ensa bi hu nsem ba beto bia kire se nipa bi ayi wo mo kra from nsem na anso se abaya bia na wo mu nso se ne obi agi ne krade afri ni nsem ayo nam so kra me ye chi Nigeria ni bi ma ono so kra bubo mpanifo bi din so o na suma no ne hu nsem ba ye de ja o TV nya fe ne bekum na saa de no ekosi ye no maami nso ni statue eda from na say no Ghana no akwakọ ye se obi ne onya adwene a na akwakọ ye se den ne ye de esu aye on kai dum mu men kose no eno ne ye ba beto aso akoso ana eno nso ya sembisa ye do bremo abusia old burger TV ne ye guso a ya ye nenam krum ye nenam ntwon ntwuro no so ne ye beto fom bia ye be fa na ye de abrem koso a na follow yen na like page na fe so fa comment or bless.